And if you look, these structural members are destroyed. All right, so here we are in the attic, and I see termite evidence pretty often. Not to this extent, though. Check this out. Look at this. Look how much frass has piled up. Literally piled up right there on the structural member. And this is a $4 million house, roughly. We've got just frass everywhere. All over the insulation below it. Going all the way to the left. And it keeps on going and going and going. And then also to the right. Look at here on top of this ductwork. And you got them going all the way here, all the way down there, all the way. It's pretty bad. It's all over the insulation, ductwork, and sill plates. And if you look, these structural members are destroyed. This house is right on the intercoastal, so he's got a lot of humidity. But check out how destroyed. Check out how destroyed this exterior structural member is. You see that? I'll stick my finger up in it. And he's got frass going everywhere, all the way down. This whole wall, the sill plate, right? The sill plate's damaged.
You think that's fresh?
It's hard to say.
Or was it treated?
The termite inspector did not find any evidence of treatment. That's one thing that they look for. So tenting definitely is in order, but you know, this has been left unchecked for a long time. There could definitely be structural issues going on here. I mean, this one right here is almost all the way through. It is all the way through on some parts. See my finger? Let me get my pinky through there. That, my friends, is a bad situation. You definitely want to make sure you get this looked at by a structural engineer, because there's a lot of structural concerns in this attic area. And this is the only part that we can see. And here we are in the interior, and look at this. Those, my friends, frass galore. So they're popping their head into probably those holes right there. So kick out holes right there. Right onto the windowsill and below. More evidence. This house needs to be tented. Yeah, they're even eating the shades. They have a pretty good appetite. Let's keep eating. I mean, looking.